Louisville Ladder's advanced technology brings you the cross-step ladder. It combines a shelf and step ladder for a 2-in-1 combination made to take on multiple placement locations. This patent-pending ladder is available in 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 feet. It carries a Type 1A duty rating with load capacities of 300 pounds. Regular step ladders shouldn't be leaned against a wall, but the cross-step's shelf design with its unique top features and innovative locking mechanism allows for positioning against a wall, building, or pole. When unlocked, this shelf ladder now sets up as a step ladder. The angles of the step ladder allow the capability to get in closer to the work area. The cross step comes with a Pro Top with magnet and V-shape. It allows quick and easy access to your tools and workspace. It also provides a stable working area when being used. The V-shaped top allows the ladder to be placed on corners and poles. The non-marring rubber tread protects the work surface and creates a non-slip grip when placed on buildings, walls, and inside corners. The H-bracing feature is available on the 8, 10, and 12-foot models to provide more stability when working at higher heights. This series comes equipped with Louisville Ladder's patented shocks and the new Raptor boot. This slip-resistant heavy-duty tread is bonded to the boot, so it increases the stability of the ladder, and the upper boot protects the fiberglass railing. Other important safety features of the Cross-Step series include spreader braces on the inside for protection during transport. Every step has a slip-resistant treading, heavy-duty reinforcements, and double rivets. Wide back braces along every step provide rigidity for the ladder. The Cross-Step series, the newest step in innovation from Louisville Ladder.